The Bing Bang Theory. Bing, the not-so-new kid on the block. Is Bing a potential challenger to traditional search engine giants? How you can profit from this trend? Search engagement is growing with Bing. Microsoft had reported that Bing is being used more and more on a daily basis, as evidence of growth in engagement. Why is Bing growing so much and so fast? The two contributing factors to the growth in usage of Bing are: 1. Growth of Edge browser use. 2. Bing's relevancy improvements, as reported by Search Engine Journal. In addition, Bing mobile app AI Copilot has seen 600% growth, with 10 million downloads of the Android version. If something is growing at 600%, you probably want to pay attention, right? Growth is validation of Bing. The steady growth of Bing is setting new records. How can you benefit from this super uptrend that Bing is experiencing for the past 18 months? Bing, which has been quietly gaining ground, and is slowly poised to challenge the supremacy of traditional search engines we've used for the past 2 decades and more, can help you grow your business more than the traditional platforms you've become accustomed to. While Bing is not a newcomer to the search engine space, its recent surge in growth and innovation suggests a potential shift in the digital paradigm you may wish to familiarize yourself with. Even before it acquired ChatGPT, Bing had been trending higher for the past several years, and we saw the sharp upturn after Microsoft acquired ChatGPT. The allure of Bing's pay-per-click advertising includes its affordability compared to Google's more expensive pay-per-click model. This growth is attractive to commercial cleaning company owners who are open to exploring its untapped potential and harnessing the new capabilities to make local commercial cleaning company owners winners, which we will be discussing in later articles. Bing's recent trajectory, which cannot be ignored, will play a pivotal role catalyzing local businesses in their ascent. The lower cost and newer capabilities affords a nice increase in ROI. Bing advertising is trending as well, and here you see in the graphics the growth where the market share is growing, and the search and news advertising revenue is growing as well. This is what is making businesses excited to work with Bing, because the ROI is clear to see, for 2 reasons. 1. The advertising cost is lower, and 2. There are new ways of taking over the search traffic in Bing, which the smart businesses are starting to use. The surge can be attributed to shifting user preferences. As individuals are increasingly turning to ChatGPT for information, drawn by its emphasis on knowledge over commercialism, Bing is emerging as a preferred platform for insightful engagement. And recently, people are going more and more to ChatGPT to get information than to Google. Because Google has been more focused on the commercial aspect, more and more savvy and affluent searchers are turning to ChatGPT for information. For business owners, leveraging Bing translates to accessing a discerning audience, characterized by expertise and receptivity. This intersection of quality traffic and meaningful interactions amplifies the value proposition for advertisers, rendering Bing as an indispensable tool for market penetration, coupled with working with the audience you can converse with, ones that understand the reasons behind what you have to offer. That makes your service more fun and rewarding to deliver. What does all this mean to you as a business owner? You might be one of the millions advertising on Google with PPC. No, I'm not suggesting that you stop PPC with Google, or that you start advertising on Bing, although that might not be such a bad idea, since the pay-per-click cost on Bing is a lot less than with Google. What I am suggesting is something far better, and that you take a look at Bing and what it can do for you. As Bing's ecosystem burgeons, businesses are increasingly drawn to its promise of tangible returns. Lower advertising costs, coupled with innovative strategies to capture search traffic, position Bing as a compelling alternative to traditional advertising channels, as Bing emerges as a formidable contender. You as a business owner stand at the precipice of a transformative opportunity. Embracing Bing's ability to get you to the #1 status not only promises a high return on investment and unlocks new avenues for growth and brand visibility. As we delve deeper into Bing's potential, forthcoming articles will unveil actionable strategies and ninja tactics to maximize its utility to propel your businesses to new heights. To get a peek, visit sboexpertly.com, where short videos will help you understand positioning on page 1 status and the path to using Bing for profit. Bing has been experiencing much more traffic, much more attention and massive ROI. This hyperspeed in growth should stimulate you as a business owner to start asking, how do I get in? And because the strength is new and relatively underexplored, you have a phenomenal opportunity to utilize Bing, to take advantage of what it has to offer, and make the most of it in the shortest possible time, and to get more bang for your buck with Bing. The next article I'll share with you how to make maximum use of Bing, using ninja tactics, to grow your business in a short span of time. You can opt in at sboexpertly.com to view explanatory videos on the subject. Subscribe to the playlist and share with friends, and connect on LinkedIn. On behalf of Dr. Raj, this is Oscar signing off. Thank you for watching.